morning children, and I'm so glad to see you one more time. Okay children, so today we are going to do day 14 of our month book 2. We are going to do day 14 of our month book 2. So when we come to the day 14 in our book, we have a new English rhyme, that is bits of paper. So we are going to sing all together. Bits of paper, lying on the floor, makes the place untidy, pick them up. Okay children, you are all going to do along with me, so let's start. Bits of paper, lying on the floor, makes the place untidy, pick them up. So you all like this rhyme and you are going to enjoy it. Okay children, now what does this rhyme tell us? That if there is any pieces of paper lying here and there in our home, home or school, we should keep our place clean. So we should pick them up and put them in the dustbin. Yes, we have to keep our homes as well as our classrooms also neat and clean. Okay children, just for a revision part, I've just written all the alphabets, that is till H, that what we have learned till date. I've written it along in a pair, that is mummy and the baby letter. This is a mummy A, baby A, that is the capital and the small. Mummy B, baby B. Mummy C, baby C. Mummy D, baby D. Mummy E, baby E. Mummy F, baby F. Mummy G, baby G. Mummy H, baby H. Okay children, so this we have just written for a pairing, so that I can show you how does the pair of the mummy and the baby letters look. So now coming on to the next page, when we turn our book page and come on the next page, here you have one more worksheet page of H. So again I am going to show what is the formation of H. For H you have to make two standing lines, and in between you have to join it with a slipping line. Whenever you make a slipping line, you have to write it over the given line. And children, when you are making it, make sure your hand is very firm. You have to make a straight line. It should be very straight. This is the mummy H. Now I am going to write baby H. That is very simple. Again, standing line and a curve, and then you make a small standing line. You make first a standing line from red till the second blue. Then in the first blue make a little curve like this, and then go straight down. This is H. This is the baby H. Okay children, so you have to finish up with this page. Okay children, now when we come to the next page, in the maths page we are introducing with a new number, that is 15, that is 15. So children, first there are travel bags given here, so we are going to count the traveling bags. So as I always say, whenever you count, use a pencil to make a dot, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are 15 traveling bags over here. So children, when we learn a new number, first we have to recognize it, that which is the number. So 1 and 5. 1, 5 makes 15. 1, 5 makes 15. 1, 5, 15. And the number name or the number spelling is F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. You have to say it 15. Okay children. Now when you write it in the book, how we are going to write it? how we'll write, that is below the O, that is the place value, that is ones. You have to write 5. And below T, we are going to write 1. So 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. Make sure your number should touch the below square line. And whenever you are writing words, see that it is very straight. It should be a straight line. It's a standing line, right? So 1, 5, 15. And as I always say, whenever you write, say and write 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. So this is the number 15. So we are learning now number 15. In oral we know. Now we are writing it. Now when you turn the page again, you have one more worksheet page, that is a practice worksheet page of number 15. So you have to complete it here also. Wherever there is a cross, you don't need to write under it. Okay children. Now just for a revision thing, we are just going to go through the uses of water. Now here we use water for drinking, bathing, farming, hand cleaning, washing clothes and even washing utensils, to put out fire, for cooking and for watering plants. So these are the uses of water. Okay children, so that is all for the day. Bye bye. See you and take care.